Are you facing the error MSVCP140.DLL is missing from your computer? The following solution will fix your problem. The solution is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 Redistributable on your computer. Open the link in the description section of this video. Scroll down and click on the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 Redistributable link. If you have a 32-bit computer, choose the x86 link. If you have a 64-bit computer, choose the x64 link. Since my computer is a 64-bit computer, I will click on the x64 link. The exe file will be downloaded. Though, it might need a few seconds for downloading the file. You will have to wait till then. Simply click on the exe file to download the DLL files. Check the box for I agree. Click on Install. Reboot your system and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? Please let us know in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.